Hey guys, I'm going to show you today another screen recording website you can use. If you are a Chrome user, this one is really great. So this is called Screencastify. So you'll have to do a little bit before you can get started, and that involves going to Screencastify.com and then installing the extension on Chrome. And then you'll have to go into it. You pin it to your browser here, and it will require you to hook up to your Google account. It'll require you to enable your microphone, things like that. So it does require a bit of setup, but once it's set up, that is always there, ready to go with the click of a button. So when you're ready, all you would do is click on that extension, and you could decide between doing your browser, your desktop, or just your webcam. You would enable the webcam if you wanted. My microphone's enabled and you can see that it's working, and then it does have some drawing tools if you would like to try that. So you can do some annotation during these as well. So depending on what you're using it for, that could be really helpful. So when you're ready, all you're going to do is hit record. It's going to tell you, do you want to do your desktop here, or do you want to do this screen? And I'll say, we'll just do this screen. It's going to give you a count. You can hear it. And then here you have the ability to pause. These are some of your annotation tools. Obviously, if you're using like a desktop computer or a laptop computer, that's not going to be great because even I have a touch screen, but like my handwriting looks like garbage on those. But if I had my iPad and I had my Apple Pen, I could definitely make some good annotation. So if this was something that you wanted to show how to do using kind of writing, you could use the annotation tool. So I think that Screencastify is really neat in that way. And again, if you're a Chrome user, it really does make it easy. So when you were done, all you would have to do is pause your recording, and then you can hit end the recording, and that would be it. And it can show you, then it's going to save it. It's going to put it right to your Google Drive. From there, you can publish it to YouTube. You can embed it. You can send it via Gmail. You can download it. You can do the audio only. So you have a lot of options with this one. So I do think Screencastify is really great. It just requires a little bit more prep work than the others do, but I still think it's a really great tool. And if you are a Chrome user, and if you're somebody who wants to use annotations with an iPad, this is a really great tool for you. Thanks.